Good afternoon, KW Bayou Partners family reunion attendees. All right, I wanted to go over a little bit about the family reunion portion of the Command mobile app, and I'm going to go over some features and some recommendations for you. All right, you can see the app to the left of the screen. First thing you want to do is make sure you logged in and logged into the correct account. And then click on the hamburger menu on the bottom right and select Family Reunion 2026. And this will bring you to the Family Reunion section of the app. So there's a list of featured sessions that you can go through and look at. Then there's a list of all of the sessions that you can scroll through and check out. If you want to follow a specific track of the breakout sessions, you can follow the AI track, the buyers track, the commercial track, the luxury track, marketing and branding track, operations and admin track, the sellers track, and the wealth track. And each of these are 4 specific sessions for those tracks. Now, what I recommend that you do is go through all of the sessions, and you can see up here there's date filters, and go through and look at the titles and descriptions of the various sessions. And if you click on the little favorites bar or button or whatever you want to call it, flag, I think flag's probably more important or more appropriate. Let's see, and we'll get on Saturday here if it lets me. Okay, I guess it's not letting me. But you can, okay, yeah, scroll down and it goes to the other ones. So find the sessions that you want to add to your agenda and click on the little flag. And so this is the Saturday's events. These are all kind of pre-family reunion breakout. If you're a member of some of these special communities, then you can get access to these sessions. And then there's also regular sessions. Then there's the CEO Summit. Takes an additional fee. So you see the additional fee here. So that means you got to have a ticket to it. I do believe it's sold out. Next, we keep on going down. We've got various different sessions. So go through, mark the ones you want. Once you've marked the sessions that you want to attend and any tracks that you want to attend, you can click on My Agenda and it'll show you what's going on in a chronological basis, or that you've selected as the sessions you want to attend. So this is a way to keep track. This will also tell you what they are and where they are. And you can click on the individual maps here and it'll show you where it's at. So you can figure out how to get to those different sessions. If you want to look at who the speakers are going to be, this is the list of speakers. Lots of people here. Let's see if I can find anybody familiar. Hank Babin, check that out. Hank Babin is one of the speakers. We knew that already. If you didn't, now you do. So this is how you kind of navigate the app and how you find the information you're looking for. And if you want to know what exhibitors are going to be there, there's a list of exhibitors. So you can check out all these people. Canva's one you can go talk to if you want to learn more about Canva. Then there's everybody's favorite warranty company, America's Preferred Home Warranty. If you want to look at sign deals, Build a Sign. There's a few others that provide that. Scott Leroy's brand coat has a booth where you can get like name badges and signs and what have you, advertising stuff, Oakley signs. Let's see what else. Lone Wolf Technologies is going to be there, so we can go and hit them up to find out more about Transact if you want, and maybe get a preview of how it works. My Red Gear store, that's always a good one. Amazon Business, they're always good for, at minimum, some ink pens, where you can get discounts for using Amazon Business. If you want to learn any kind of information from the Baylor Keller Center, they do all types of research into real estate sales and real estate and demographic trends and all kinds of stuff like that. You can go sign up with them and you'll get a regular, they'll email you out reports when they produce them. And a whole bunch of other stuff. More signs. DocuSign is another sponsor. Even though we're moving away from it, they're still participants. So, whole lot of stuff, whole lot of information right in the palm of your hand. There is also maps. See if I can figure out where the maps are. I don't know if I can do that here on this part of the app. But anyways, I just wanted to show y'all where to go on the app. So if you don't have the Command mobile app installed on your phone, install it and log in and set your agenda to help make sure that you're attending the informational sessions, the breakouts and stuff that you need to attend. All right, appreciate y'all time and looking forward to heading to Atlanta with y'all.